Hi, it's Christy Simpson with Leisure Arts, and in this video I want to show you how to complete the stem stitch. It creates an outline design around your already straight stitch or created work. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in through one, and I'm just numbering around, okay? Skip one, go into the next. Then you're going to work in the skipped one. Skip one, go in the next. Work in the skipped. Skip one, go into the point. And since this is the point, we will not work into that last skipped one. So we want to mirror on the opposite side. So skip one and go back into the point. Go work into the skipped one. Skip one, go into the next. Work into the skipped one. Skip one, go into the next. And to finish, work into the skipped one. Skip one, go into the next. And now your petal has a nice outline created by the stem stitch.